The allotment plot is a really great space to be. It's really positive for your mental well-being, and it's a socially inclusive environment, so all students are welcome. There's some practical tasks that you can learn, some gardening skills, and being around like-minded people as well.
Helping out with the wellbeing allotment, because it's a good way to get outdoors and meet new people.
The Student Wellbeing Centre have got an allotment plot, which is here, and that's the back of Lincoln College, and that's on Monks Road. If you are interested, please do contact us to find out some more.